O-V-E. Do you know what that means?
I love you. That's so sweet. Oops! Little Messi! Hi! Welcome back to our tester. Dun, 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 dun.
And done. Okay, now we got the cake. Can you cut it for you?
No! No! Sorry.
It's okay. And they said 1 cup.
Hey.
Okay, and
Come
then
and play it.
yes, please. Oh, good job. Oh.
And what next?
Water. And mix it up.
I'll do that.
Yeah, you like it. So I'm gonna move this out, okay? And you will have space. Do you know what food we're gonna cook today?
Pancake strawberry.
Strawberry pancake, right? Okay, and I will help you. Can you help? Can you help me, please?
Yes, I can.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you, mommy.
Mommy gonna make a sound effect.
Boing, 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 boing. Yes, thank you. Be careful, baby. Yeah, come over here. Oh, be careful. Yes, you did a good job. More? We need more. We need a lot. Faster, faster, please. Mommy.
What color is it?
Red.
Can you spell it?
R-E, red.
Take 2.
R-E-D, red.
Good job.
Let me have to.
A little bit. Paw. It's enough. Oh.
I'm going to mix it up.
That's right. What color is your favorite?
Red, orange, green. And now we have 2 colors. I'm gonna do the white pancake and you do the red pancake.
Whoa. Okay.
Little Messi.
That's right.
I'll do the big one.
Oh, big one. Can I show you first, please? Thanks. When you cut, you have to keep your finger like
Okay.
this and cut.
No, I'm doing.
ไหน finger.
I keep it right here.
And then be careful, cut. Don't close to your finger. Push. Good job. Right there. Well done.
And this one, I already eat this time.
Okay. Tell me, do you like it? Sweet? Good. Which one is white? Which one is red?
Red, red strawberry.
It's yummy. Oh. So we got this here.
Let's go tooting. Mommy turn.
So cute. You can help me like that. Okay.
I want some of them.
Okay,
I
okay.
really like this.
You really like it? Help me. Put in there.
Dum, 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 dum.
Alright. And we put it here, okay? Yeah, decorate it. Ah, no.
Happy Valentine!
That's
love
so good.
you.
I love you too, Ryan. Thank you so much.
Go give it to Daddy. Okay. Give it to Daddy.
Many heart, I love you. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Please let us know in the comments below what you will make for your Valentine.